Hello, my friend, Stephanie at the Stamps of Life, and guess what? It is time for our Fold It Club. Now, if you're new to the Stamps of Life or if you're new to the Fold It Club, the Fold It Club is our newest club and it's also our fastest growing club. Well, some of you might be saying, what's a Fold It? A Fold It is a shaped card. Now, it's a die that has on the back where you're going to place the fold to make it an A2 size card. But the best part about it is it can also be a banner, it could be on a scrapbook page, it could be a little box, it could be a stand-up, it could be so many different things. So let me show you what this month is. Now, if you're not in the Fold It Club, you have a very, very, very tiny window to get signed up. If you get signed up in this window while this is our current club set, you can get it. Because you know what? Once it's not that club set anymore, you can't get it. You cannot buy it on my website. You cannot beg, borrow, or steal. Well, I guess you could steal it technically, but you know what I mean, right? So here it is, and I absolutely positively, now, I kind of made a little bit of a mistake, and I'm going to tell you about that, because I called it the Christmas Candle Fold It. But you know what? When you see my samples, you're going to laugh because you're going to say, Stephanie, that should not be called Christmas Candle because there's so much more you can do with it. Now, the cool thing about it, let me turn it over. The cool thing about it is the holly is separate from the candle. That means, yes, it could be a Christmas candle or it could be something else. Ready? Now, here we go. Here is our cute little postcard that comes with it. Shows an idea, shows what comes with it. Two other ideas are on the back, but my friends, those of you that know, right? So many more ideas on our website. So many more ideas on our website. You need to go to our website to see all of the ideas, right? On our gallery. Now, let me show you the stencils because yes, not only does it come with a card base, it also comes with 2 5x7 stencils. This is one of them. Look at that fun pattern. The swirls and the holly leaves are a little bit far away from each other when you stencil, so you can get, and let me show you this one because this is a perfect example, perfect banner example, but look at that pattern stencil, right? You can do 2 different colors pretty easily with your smaller brushes. Also included in the set is a fun stencil to add for your candle. So you have 2 different patterns to pick from. You have some highlight pieces for the wax that's melting, for the flame, and for the stems on the holly. Now, are you ready to see these samples? Because they are gonna knock your socks off. First of all, I showed you this one, but you can see that stencil in action, and I think it's a really amazing, beautiful one. Look how fun that background is on it. Also, here we go. Let me show you the before and after so you can see what it looks like. And it has that little cup. You can add the holly anywhere you want. And I'm going to show you a couple different samples so you can see. So here it is as a Fold It itself right there, right? So cute. Here is another one. So awesome. And we're going to lay that one down because I want you to see a couple different options for the holly. Now look, 3 different options for the holly. Here you can put it down below, you can put it up at the top, you can put 2 down there. Lots of different options. Now originally, and I like to tell you the backstory on all of these. Originally, I designed this so the holly was on the candle itself and it would be there forever, right? It was part of the main die. And then I thought, you know what? I want to make it more versatile because I'm all about, you know, I make the cards, right? I mean, I don't get to make all of these, but I make cards, right? I make it so it's more versatile so I can pull it and use it for other things. So, for example, here we go. No longer is it a Christmas candle. Now it is a fall candle just by adding leaves. Or it's a Halloween spooky candle. Right? I know. Lots of different options on this one. Or we can go back and use the candle as a Christmas candle. So we're going to have lots of different ways to make this candle. Now also, here's one using the pattern stencil. Oh, sorry. This one also used the pattern stencil on the back. So you're going to be using that stencil also to add patterns on the candle. And oh my goodness. So I showed you on a banner. I showed you a shaped card. But what about a 5x7 card base? Boom, slap that on there and look how gorgeous it is. There's another version of those pretty holly, the swirls and the holly, also using our tri-dot stencil to add even more little cute berries. Now, club members, Rest assured, yours is on your way to you. You will be guaranteed. If you're in the club, you will be guaranteed to get this set. If you are not in the club, we have a limited amount left over because we always buy extra because we always get a lot of signups. Join now so you can get this club set. Now, if you join the Fold It Club after this club set and the next one comes out, you can't get this one. Okay, you can't. So you need to join now so you can get this one and get all the future ones. Our monthly commitment is only 3 months. After 3 months, you can cancel it anytime, but you know what? You're not going to want to. Also, did you guys really love this banner? Well, let me just tell you, when you join the Fold It Club, you get this big old massive, awesome, large banner as a welcome gift, right? That's we're like, hey, we love you. Congratulations on signing up for the Fold It Club. Here's a free die. I think it's a $27.99 value. Right? Is that awesome or what? So go to the website, thestampsoflife.com. Check it out. You are going to fall in love with it. And you know what? It's absolutely, positively amazing. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.